Hello guys, let's make this beautiful turkey stew together. For the ingredients, we will need tomatoes, TATASHI, ATARODO, SHOMBO, and your garlic, and 3 pieces of turkey. If you are using more turkey, you can follow the same steps. Start by placing this turkey in a pot. You add your onion and your pepper, and add your seasoning to taste. Thyme, rosemary, and your bay leaf, your curry, your MAGGI, and a little bit of salt to taste. Stir it all together, then add your water. If you have a lot of turkey, let it simmer for a bit before adding it, then add the water. Cover and cook until the turkey is softened. Turkey is ready. Next, heat your groundnut oil in a pan to fry your turkey. I like to cover it while frying to avoid splintering. Fry until it's a little bit brown, then you remove it from your pot. In the same pot, saute your onions for about 5 seconds, then add your blended tomatoes to it. Your blended tomatoes and your TATASHI together. Cover and allow it to boil for a while, for a bit. Yes. Allow it to boil, then check it, then add your turkey stock, seasonings, and Maggi, your salt, and your thyme. Then you add a little bit of curry. Let it boil for a while. Allow it to boil for a while. Then you add your turkey back inside your pot to cook for a little bit. You will see how beautiful the turkey stew is. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Then, your turkey is so ready. Your turkey stew is so ready for you to devour. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy your turkey stew. And thank you for watching.